Let's see example 40 here. The probability that Ali will do well in his maths paper is 0.75. So I write here P maths 0.75. And the probability that he will do well in his stats paper is 0.52. Okay, so we have 0.75 and 0.52. So I write here as P stat 0.52. The probability that he will do well on both papers, okay, both papers is 0.25. What's the meaning of both papers? Meaning that P maths intersects stat, so that is 0.25. Let's see now what does the question want. If he did well in his stat paper, what is the probability that he will do well in his maths paper? Let's read this carefully. If he did well in his stats paper, so stat is at the back here because this has already happened. Okay, and the question say what is the probability that he will do well in his maths paper? So it is P maths given that stat. So let us open up the formula. P math intersect stats divide by P stat. So remember, always divide by the event that is already happened. Now let's fill in what is P maths intersect stat. It is 0.25. Divide by probability of stat 0.52. Therefore, your answer is 25 over 52. That's the answer for A. Now, let's see the answer for B. If he did well in his maths paper, so maths already happened. Let's write P maths at the back because maths already happened. And the question say what is the probability that he will do well in his stats paper. So this is probability of stat given math. Let's open up the formula. P stat intersect math over P math. Let's fill in the formula. P stat intersect math is just the same with P math intersect stat. So it is 0.25. Let's divide by probability of math, which is 0.75. Let's write there. And just use your calculator. You should get the answer as 1 over 3. So that's the way to solve example 40. Next, let's see example 41. In a class of 40 students, 15 are girls, meaning that we can conclude 25 are boys. 2 students are chosen at random. Let A be the event of first student selected is a girl. Let A as the event of choosing a girl. So PA is 15 over 40, simplify it 3 over 8. Next, let's read further. B is the event of the second student selected is also a girl. So how to write this? You can see this clearer if I draw the tree diagram for you. Let's choose the first student here. It can be a girl or it can be a boy. So the probability of G1 and B1, meaning that the first chosen is girl, the first chosen is boy. So for PG1, this is 15 over 40. For PB1, it is 25 over 40. So what's the probability of the next one chosen is a girl or a boy? So the second student chosen, it can be a girl or a boy, and again, it can be a girl or a boy. If the first chosen student is over 40, the second student's chosen, this will be over 39 because one of the students already chosen. Okay, so we have 15 girl students altogether. If one already chosen, the next one from 15, this is already going to be 14. How about for boys? We didn't choose any boys yet, so the boys will stay as 25 boys. Let's see the second tree diagram here. If the first is already chosen as boy, so from 25 boy, now the boys becomes 24. How about the girls? The girls didn't be chosen here, so the girls stays as 15 girls. So you can see this clearer if I write here as PB given A, meaning that the second student chosen is girl, given that the first chosen student is girl. So it is 14 over 39. This is using another notation. So if you want to see clearer, this is event of A, the first girl chosen. This is event of B, second chosen is also a girl. So you can read this part here as the probability of B given A. This is probability of B happening given probability of A. This is event A already happens. So this is a way to write it, probability B given A. That's why you see here it is 14 over 39. The question said find the probability that both of the selected students are girls. Okay, so let's open up the formula. PB given A is equal to PB intersect A over PA. So the probability of both selected are girls, meaning that we want to find this part here, PB intersect A. So how can we solve this? We can just rearrange. This is cross multiply. So we can see the formula here after rearranging. PA intersect B is equal to PA multiply PB given A. So just take the value of PA, 3 over 8, multiply, take the value of PB given A, 14 over 39. So you'll get your answer 7 over 52. We have a shortcut to solve this actually. Okay, so what is the shortcut? Let me show you. The shortcut is if you want to find probability of both selected students are girls here, meaning that you want this value here, PB, and intersect with A. The way to do it is you just multiply this branch together. So PA intersect B is just the same with you multiply the branches here. Okay, just now we are using this formula and rearranging. But if you just look at the branch, you just multiply the branch, 14 over 39 times 3 over 8 here. Okay, this is simplified at 3 over 8. If you multiply these branches together in order to find probability of A intersect B, this will just be the same as what we have done by rearranging the formula. Let me show you another example. Example, if you want to find probability of getting both boys selected. Okay, so let's see, both boys selected. So this is one boy and this is another boy chosen. So you can just multiply these branches together. So this is just 24 over 39 times 25 over 40. Use your calculator, then you'll get the answer. Okay, so by using the shortcut of multiplying the branches together, no need to rearrange the formula as what we have done just now. So that's the end of this example.